I think we unite on the purpose that we have to be transparent as to the entire list of proposals by legislators. Pero we will debate as to the reason as to why he wanted it. No? Kasi nga ho, it is not just party list congressmen that make proposals in several districts, but more importantly, even senators make these proposals in several districts. And I think he made mention also of yung po mga parking schemes. To be very clear, yung pong sinasabi in the Blue Ribbon Committee hearings na parking sa gasa, it was not a creation of the last Congress. In fact, yung pong mga parking tsaka sa gasa, I think nababasa na ho natin yan as far back as 2018 in the previous administration. No, in fact, former House leaders denied such parking fees, or parking schemes in the last Congress. So I think it would be a bit disingenuous for congressmen today to say na ito po ay it's just a new innovation of the previous leadership in the 19th Congress.